Somewhere, there exists a home that cooks its own meals, transforms air into pure water, and automatically protects its residents from fires. This isn't science fiction. It's a reality you can own today. In this video and over the next few minutes, we'll explore inventions that might seem impossible, yet they're already present in real homes. Have you ever imagined a digital guardian watching over your pool with the vigilance of an eagle's eye? Pool Alert S emerges as an ever-watchful sentinel, surpassing all traditional alarm systems in its sophistication. Like an artist blending colors with precision, this system masterfully combines AI algorithms with a 140-degree camera, observing every movement as meticulously as a poet contemplating the details of a verse. While dismissing gentle water ripples like a musician differentiating between notes, when danger looms, it orchestrates 3 simultaneous alerts: warning messages to registered phones, a powerful 110 decibel siren by the pool, and an 85 decibel alarm echoing through the house. This faithful sentinel draws its power from a robust 9,000 mAh battery, continuously rejuvenated by a 6-watt solar panel, and you can acquire this digital guardian for just $199, making advanced safety accessible to all. Have you ever wondered how a piece of metal could transform into a culinary maestro? Pit Boss shines like an artist painting their masterpiece in the world of grilling, presenting a harmonious symphony of barbecues, grills, and smokers. Did you know that their engineering team weaves magical touches even into their simplest models? Take, for instance, the Red Rock 3 Series gas smoker, priced at $330, which comes equipped with a professional-grade temperature indicator, offering precise control from 38 to 160 degrees Celsius, with porcelain-coated elements crafted like a perfectly executed work of art. The advanced models proudly showcase a digital control panel, an effortless grease removal system, and enhanced insulation allowing temperatures to soar to 177 degrees Celsius, like a conductor orchestrating the perfect culinary performance. Have you ever imagined that the very air you breathe could transform into pure water, like nature's own magic? Aquaria presents a technological miracle that mirrors the natural water cycle, like an artist painting with morning dew. Did you know that this water wizard fulfills all your household needs, from showering to laundry? Like a poet extracting words from thin air, this device harvests moisture from the surrounding atmosphere, purifying, sanitizing, and enriching it with minerals in a perfectly orchestrated chemical symphony. The basic model conjures 90 liters of water daily, priced at $3,499. For those seeking more, the advanced version manifests up to 1,000 liters per day. The cost of this liquid alchemy depends on your local electricity rates, as it channels 330 watt-hours per liter. And why not consider adding solar panels to dance with nature's energy? Have you ever imagined your kitchen waste vanishing as effortlessly as birds disappearing into the blue sky? Recycle It presents a magical solution that transforms your kitchen into a clean oasis, free from unpleasant odors, like a pristine painting with pure colors. Did you know that this environmental guardian surpasses the traditional method of collecting food remnants, packaging, and waste in a small bag? Like a perfectly choreographed theater, the system operates with hydraulic doors and miniature chutes, while ventilation is achieved through the Venturi effect, with tight seals that ward off insects like an impenetrable fortress. This innovator perfectly suits multi-story houses and comes with a price tag of $899. Isn't it time to liberate your kitchen from the burden of waste? In an age where stargazing seemed reserved for scientists, Nextdome breaks this barrier with a stunning innovation. Now you can own a personal observatory that makes stargazing as simple as admiring a hanging artwork. Did you know that this plastic observatory, resembling a miniature celestial dome, comes at $3,395? Standing 2.3 meters in both height and diameter, and weighing just 113 kilograms, 2 people can assemble it as easily as putting together puzzle pieces. This astronomical temple features a sliding shutter that allows your telescope to gaze directly at the zenith, with an interior space accommodating 6 bays. Imagine transforming one into a micro-office while using the rest for storage. Have you ever imagined your home's safety guardian could be the size of a book? Haven introduces a revolution in firefighting systems, like a vigilant guardian angel that never sleeps. Did you know that this smart innovator, weighing just 2.3 kilograms, can extinguish fires across an area of 9.3 square meters? Like a watchful eye, the system automatically awakens when temperatures reach 57 degrees Celsius. Haven belongs to the ABC fire extinguisher family, containing a special compound that chemically isolates fires, surpassing water-based systems in electrical fire scenarios. You can own this faithful guardian for $280. In an era where cooking has become both art and science, Botinket Omni writes a new chapter in modern kitchen history. Imagine owning a robotic chef that combines scientists' precision with artists' creativity. This smart assistant, looking like it stepped out of the latest sci-fi movie, transforms the simplest ingredients into gourmet meals with stunning professionalism. With an 8-inch screen displaying recipes clearly and a voice assistant guiding you step by step, cooking becomes an enjoyable adventure requiring no prior experience. Powered by 15 kilowatts, its AI controls every detail, from temperature to spice measurements. Even more impressive, it serves the food and self-cleans automatically. This kitchen of the future can be yours for $41,550. A few seconds in cold water could transform your entire day. This is what the Glacier Cold Plunge Tub offers, seamlessly blending luxury with wellness in one exceptional experience. This extraordinary tub showcases an exquisite aluminum frame adorned with natural red cedar, a masterful combination that maintains the perfect cold temperature through its natural insulating properties. With a generous capacity of 719 liters, you can effortlessly manage water changes using a simple garden hose. This luxurious wellness journey starts at $3,690. While the investment might seem substantial, the benefits are truly transformative, from enhanced muscle recovery to improved blood circulation, empowering your body with renewed vitality and energy. Each plunge is an investment in your well-being, turning an ordinary day into an extraordinary one. In an age where phones are smart, why shouldn't your curtains be too? With the SwitchBot roller shade, your windows come alive like an animated masterpiece. Like Cinderella's magical gown, this first-of-its-kind shade adapts to your window's size. The smallest model extends from 58 to 80 centimeters, while its larger sibling stretches from 140 to 185 centimeters. And like an artist's canvas, you can choose the fabric that suits your taste. This smart shade communicates with the Hub 2 module to join the Apple Home ecosystem, offering features beyond imagination, from voice control to timer and light sensor capabilities. Like a miniature sun, it draws power from solar panels to operate for 8 full months. At a starting price of $237, this Light Guardian transforms your window into a protective shield against harmful sun rays. Did you know that the air conditioner we use today started as a dream in the mind of an inventor named Willis Carrier? Like a leader of a small industrial revolution, this genius transformed our lives from scorching inferno to gentle breeze. Like a science fiction tale, his company evolved into a global giant known as Carrier Global Corporation, now producing what resembles an advanced electronic brain in their Performance series, equipped with intelligent IntelliSense technology. Like bees signaling their hive, this system sends operational data to the dealer, making maintenance a proactive journey that prevents sudden breakdowns during peak heat. The system operates with a 2-stage compressor, silent as a cat prowling at night, and uses Puron as refrigerant, strong as an ancient warrior withstanding high pressures. For $6,256, you can transform your room into what feels like the Arctic, with temperatures as low as -18 degrees Celsius. And remember, the future isn't just a distant dream. It's a reality we're crafting today with our own hands. These amazing innovations you've seen aren't just cold technology, they're testimony to humanity's ability to transform ideas into reality. Each of these inventions started with a dream, with an idea, with someone asking, "What if?" Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with all that's new in the world of smart home technology and innovative solutions. Share with us in the comments, which invention impressed you the most? And what technology would you love to see in your home?